Hi, I'm Zhao.
Hi, I am Angelina.
Today we are going to bake a cake.
We are making a lemon butter cake.
So these all the ingredients that we need.
First, grate some lemon zest. Cut the lemon. Squeeze out 30 grams of lemon juice and set aside. Prepare 150 grams of unsalted butter. Pour into a bowl. Pour 120 grams of powdered sugar into a sieve. Sift the powdered sugar. First, stir it manually to prevent splashing during whipping. Mix the ingredients at low speed first, then switch to medium speed to stir. Scrape the powdered sugar from the edges and mix it together. Prepare 130 grams of whole egg liquid. Mix them. After whipping to this fluffy, whitish state, add the egg mixture in batches. Add it in small amounts multiple times. Each time, beat until the egg mixture is fully absorbed. After blending, add lemon zest and mix well. Prepare 158 grams of self-rising flour. Pour into a bowl. Use a spatula to mix the powders to prevent splattering. Mix the whisk at medium speed until no dry powder is visible. Add lemon juice. Blend until fully absorbed. Pour into the mold and smooth it out. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Bake in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes.
Twenty minutes later.
The cake started to rise slowly.
A few moments later.
Let's check if the cake is done. Insert a toothpick into the cake. If the toothpick comes out clean, it's fully cooked.
Wow! Oh my God! Wow!
It looks delicious. Tasting time.
Now we invite Dennis to test the cakes.
So let's try. This is your first time,
Yeah.
Bake your cake, your own cake, Looks so nice, so fluffy. Oh. Nice. Can sell already.
Oh. So that's all for us. Enjoy our recipe. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.